Hello everybody, today I have this Cascadia 2016, then was having this issue right here. See this full code, that one right there. Engine started relay, let me see, engine started relay, circuit fell low, and that is the full code number right there, and we have it right there on the dashboard too. Kind of hard to see for the reflection, but that's there. So the issues in this engine was having was then it was not starting, or it was starting sometimes and sometimes doesn't, and then it was doing just click 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 and then clack 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 clack, like it was starting but it wasn't doing much at all. So in this case, this Cascadia doesn't come with I started solenoid, I started relay. Usually the started relay is gonna be located in one of these ports over here, but in this case it doesn't come. It's gonna be a small starter relay, so we don't have any here. So in this case, this specific truck, the starter signal comes straight from the computer. So that's the computer. I did replace the computer and thinking then we have a problem with the computer because it was weird. The engine was here and then suddenly it didn't want to start and then wants to start, and then a couple of people inspect this problem and nobody had any luck on fixing it. Here I have the original computer because I thought the computer was bad, but no, the problem continue being the same. So the computer, the starter is going to be located right here. See, this is the signal, and we are going to get this voltage. See right here. Hold on, let me get this one. Okay, hold on, give me a second. Alright, see, this is the signal, the voltage. Then the computer is going to receive, knowing then we have the circuit. The circuit is open right now. So as soon as we put it to the ground, which is going to be the solenoid, is going to give the signal to the computer. Then we have the starter hook and it's ready to start. So I did some other type of modification trying to find out the problem, but with no luck. The starter didn't do anything at all. It was doing the same. So at the end I decided to start and look for the wiring. Usually wiring is grounded, causing many different issues. But so I'm gonna go underneath. Let me give you a better idea. So all right. So the wiring goes from here to there, and it goes to the 21 pin. That one right there. The ECU 21 pin, and then comes from the other side, that one right here, and it goes all the way to the starter right there. But the issue was right here, right where it's very hard to see, right in the middle, right here. You can see those wires that are broken, and that one, this one right here, the black one there, that one was the starter signal. This one right here, the black one. You can see the all peel, and the reason why they're like that is because of the pulley. The pulley right there, I don't know if you're able to see it. See how shiny it is? That is because the cables were rubbing on the pulley, on the crankshaft pulley, causing this issue. And they were rubbing there because of this clamp right here. See this clamp? This clamp goes on the engine harness. Then it is that bridge over there. See that black bridge? Then goes there. Let me get it focused. Right there. See? And it goes from here to across the engine, so it can get the wiring to the other side of the engine. So this clamp was not actually installed, and this clamp was pushing the cables against the pulley, and the pulley got destroyed. The cable got destroyed. because of the pulley rotation. Very simple problem, but very hard to find. So there are very different ways on how to find these kind of issues, and that is based on experience. I will make this video too long if I want to explain ways to find issues like these electrical problems, but little by little I'm going to do videos explaining how it is to find electrical problems. So the easiest way to know electrical problems is by seeing cables. See these cables over here, very close to a ground, which is the frame or the engine block. See, they're very close to it. So if they're rubbing against it, it's most likely then you can have a short. But just look at them, see these ones are clean, they don't have any type of shafting or kinking or nothing, so they're pretty nice. The cable protection is completely destroyed because it's old, but the cables are fine. So in this case, the cable protection got destroyed with the cables. So that's the reason why we have to repair this cable. See, this cable is broken, and the other end is right here. But that will be the way how to fix it. But anyway, it was just a problem that I found on this truck. I spent I spent a couple hours trying to figure out this problem. To be honest, I didn't solve it right away. I spent a lot of time trying to find the problem because it was hard to know where the short was located, because that is very hidden, and if that is one of the locations, then it's more likely not to have a short. But in this case, it was the case. So I hope this video is informative, and trying to make videos informative to you every day. So any questions, comment below, and any type of suggestions or anything else to add to this video is very important to comment below. Look for me on Instagram as franciscoamaya YouTube. Share this video, send support to the channel by seeing the description of the video. And yeah, I have details how to send support on the description of the video. And like and subscribe, very important. Thank you for watching.